Hi there. The Kokyu Ho sequence in Suwari Waza is another way to practice Aikido. You may consider the essay obsoleteness-free, detailed, and complete video instructions for your smooth start and sequential learning process. Consider the lesson fragment.
Their pushing action is continuous. It is not a single push, it's rather pressing. Uke uses the structure of their arms to execute the pushing influence. Naga is sitting in standard seiza position. Uke stands on their toes, having a little advantage of upper position and pushing potential. As Uke influences you, you absorb their pressing action. Your pelvis goes from the big belly position back, you drop down your pelvis. With this movement, also your torso goes backward. Your torso goes back without changing its position and angle. You do not lean back. You maintain posture. This is a unique movement. We'll examine its mechanics in more details later in the next part of this lesson.
Before approaching the instructions, you need to know something. Usually people approach a martial art or Aikido under a certain assumption. It is a sort of competition, one wins and the other loses. You learn how to win. As simple as that. Any kind of philosophy to it is supplementary. I also take it simple, and I also do not have any additions to the simplicity. But what you may call simple actually can be complicated. Your understanding of winning and losing, whoever you are, can be only subjective and is probably defined by a conventional setting. So if you change the rules, the outcomes become uncertain. My simplicity has existential basis. There is no concern about winning or losing in our Aikido practice. There is only influence and reaction. How simple is that? Our practice is a kind of research, and the subject of our research is our reaction. That's it. If you call it philosophy, that's actually your problem. You may need to solve your problem. What you are lacking is clarity. Aikido may help you with that. Aikido is not there to help you winning, because winning is just an illusion. And what I am telling you now is not a philosophy. It's the reality. You may know that. I'm practicing Kokyu Ho sequence with the two generations of the SAA students. 28-year age difference between the two of my practice partners. We do not have adaptations. We have clarifications in our practice. The existential basis of our practice makes it simple and obsoleteness-free.